Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1967 MG Midget. It's, I believe it's a Mark II model, but it's the most desirable being a 67. It's got the side window wind wings, but British Racing green, black interior, 4-speed wire wheels. This is a really, really good, excellent little driver. I just took it for a drive, and the speedo reads 35,000 miles. And if I was a betting man, I would say those are original miles. Really good engine, tight transmission. The wheels, we need to check the tightness. There was just a little bit of hub noise on the wire wheels, so we got to check for tightness on those wire wheels. But the car drives great. Super good driving car. It's wearing a quite a nice restoration for a midget. I mean, these cars hardly get restored to this level, and this is quite the gem here. So great paint, great. Most of the bright work is good. The front bumper has a little bit of aging, but it is the original. But super good body, and really good, excellent glossy British Racing green paint all the way around. A couple little chips here I can see. They've been, like here, they've been touched up. Another little like paint drip or blem there. I don't know what's going on there, but if I walk around this car, just super honest body work, super good paint, really nice bright work. The windshield has been changed, but the windshield's like perfect condition. Nice windshield frame, all the aluminum's in great shape. The windshield rubber's real nice. So someone's put some really good care into restoring this one. Great gaps here, as you can see. Another little chip there, which just needs a little bit of touch up. But the car was probably restored 10 years ago, but just to a really lovely, really nice level. In the trunk here is the top frame and a brand new soft top. The trunk's all British Racing green. There's a new trunk gasket fitted. You can see bright work like this. It's just in beautiful condition. All the lenses are really nice. But yeah, this one I've just fell in love with this. I've just taken it for a drive, and I want to take it home and put it in the garage, but that's not going to happen. So, but yeah, let's move on to the interior here. Nice little loop carpet kit fitted, great vinyl, great set of nicely upholstered vinyl seats that are super comfortable. You can see here door panels, the top arm bars are all in great shape. Dash, I think, is original. I don't think this dash has ever been, it's ever been touched, so that's why I'm thinking this car's lowish mileage here. But yeah, nice rubber door seals here. It's fitted with a sports steering wheel, but just excellent interior. I don't know why someone did that, but they put a red middle section of the roll there, but that could be dyed black, which would be more appropriate. So, but yeah, let's take a look at this car's engine compartment. That pops up nicely. There's no ill fitting there. That's all nice. So under here you can see it's a mostly original engine compartment, finished in the original green. There's the original VIN plate sitting down there. It's fitted with a single carb intake, but it's a really nice sized carburetor. It's probably a 1 3/4 carb, so the car goes really well. This 1275 engine, I believe it's an original unrebuilt engine to the car here. Could use a little bit of paint and touch up and detailing. But what's nice about this car, if you look at the back of the hood, it's just perfect, original paint, just super, super good, honest car all over. But yeah, nice unrestored engine compartment, which, you know, little bit of work on the weekend would make that engine compartment fantastic. So, but yeah, really nice, hard to find, genuine, excellent driving 1967 MG Midget convertible, Mark II, best of the bunch here, 1275cc, 4-speed, wire wheels, best colors, in this handsome British racing green, black interior, black top, really lovely little thing. I just took it for a drive there. You can see me driving it with ease. Really easy, simple, fun car to drive. Really great handling, tight little driving car here. And there it is. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.